Today we are going to learn how to install Red Hat Enterprise Linux version 9.2 on your VMware workstation. First, we'll have to download this. Just go to this link given in the description, and first we'll have to sign up and log into this account so that we can download this software. Click on the download link and enter your login credentials. Once you have successfully logged in, again click on the download button and you will see that the download has started. I've already downloaded this ISO file, so I'll be skipping this step. Once your downloading has completed, open your VMware workstation and click on Create a new virtual machine. Select Typical Installation. Click Next. Then select the ISO. Click on Browse button and select the directory where the ISO is downloaded and click on Open. Now it will detect that it is Red Hat and we can set up the username and password for root in the VMware installation itself. So I am setting it up as root2 and setting passwords for it. You can leave it blank for the time being as well. Now you have to select the directory where the VMware has to install the Red Hat Enterprise Linux. So the storage requirement is around 60 GB, so I'll keep it such. Click on Next and you can edit the hardware which you are going to allot it from your base machine to the virtual machine. I'm giving it a RAM of 16 GB. You can change other settings as well. Then click on Next and finish the setup. After a few seconds, your virtual machine will boot up and you can proceed with the installation. Select your preferred language. I'm selecting it as English and English India. Click on Next. And then we have to set up the drive where or the hard disk where the operating system has to be installed. So by default we have created one drive of 60 GB. Keep it selected, click on Done. You can also opt for encrypting the drive data, but I am skipping it for now. Next we have to set up the root passwords. We earlier had set a user password, now we can add a root password. I am keeping both same as of now. You can change it as per your convenience or requirement. You can set up another user over here, but for the time being I am just skipping this step. Then click on Begin Installation. It is going to take some time, so we'll just fast forward the installation process. As you can see, the installation has completed. You can click on Finish Installation and the device will reboot. Now it is showing terminated. Do not wait here and reboot the guest machine. Now the installed operating system has started. We still have to do few more settings after the machine has booted up. We can set the privacy settings, we can turn on or off the location settings, add some account, and yes, we again have to provide our name or the username. So I am going to provide root 2 as a user. Click on next, and we can set a password. This is a custom user creation other than that of root. And now everything is set up, we can start using the Red Hat Enterprise Linux. So this is a new interface as compared to the Red Hat 7, and clicking on application, it shows multiple windows view or multiple desktops view, where you can change it to multiple desktops or open the application drawer and terminal as well. So that's all for installation of Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9. If you like this video and if it helped, you can click on like button, and if you have any questions, you can always comment and ask me in the comment window. Thank you so much for watching this video, and do subscribe to this channel for more updates.